The best part of my job is seeing larger projects come together as a whole. When everybody is scrambling and like we break up the project into multiple parts and then everyone's working on a particular system and you just hear everyone screaming across the office, "Sync, sync, can you sync? So-and-so, can you sync now?" And then at the end, it's this beautiful finished product that's so satisfying. I started studying architecture at IIT, and when I really started digging into it, I started thinking more about the building systems and what that entails, and then I ended up here. I met Bill and Dave at a career fair, and I had no experience with mechanical or plumbing fire protection, but I was just like, I'm just gonna give my application and see what happens. Some advice that I wish I would have known when I was starting in the field is to go to every single learning seminar, lunch and learn, whatever it is. It doesn't matter if you probably don't know anything about what the topic is. Half the time I didn't know the 2 words out of the 4 that were in the title of what they were talking about. And then as you just keep going and keep submerging yourself in the industry and like in those topics, you start to just pick up on it, and whether or not it directly pertains to you or not, knowing about it helps you be a better designer. Best prank might have actually been here. Back when we had the old setup, like before the renovation, we had the table in between 2 desks. And so I taped up a bunch of cardboard to trap in like one of the office cubicles and then filled it with balloons. And so when the person came in, they had to maneuver through all of the balloons to get to their desk. I would take a trip to space only knowing how long the trip was gonna be. I need a return plan, but I would totally be willing to go check out space. I would be terrified, but I'd go. On a scale of 1 to 10, depending on the secret, I'm a solid 9. I can keep a good secret unless it's just comical and fun, and then I'll probably use it for joking around.